So we can't seem to get past this 52 area. Let's get on the ES over here so we can see what's going on. There was some orders at 52. They took it a little bit earlier, and then now we're kind of back up there, and the orders are not really showing, but we're having trouble getting past that area. So we got 54 and 55 up above. So right there, I'm gonna actually take along here, guys, if I can get in. We're just gonna target this we're not gonna have a huge stop on this. We're only gonna go 37. Let's see if we can not get up to this next level here. If we end up getting stopped out on this trade, it's gonna be a small trade, not looking for a whole lot. Might add to it here if we look like we're moving up pretty good. Second break of the range here. We do have orders at 59 above this area, so actually let's go with our target there. So we're gonna risk 41 to make potentially 100 or so. Gonna add there if we can. There we go, we added. Gonna add some more there, and let's move our profit, take profit down a bit here. Actually, let's keep it where we are. We're gonna drag up our stop though. Not gonna drop this just yet, hoping that we're gonna continue out of this a little bit higher here. We'll just move it to the bottom of this candle for now. Let's give this a little more space. We do have some orders up at 64. So let's front run that a bit, hoping that we're gonna get a bit more of a move here. All three of them sort of bouncing a bit. So we'll try to be patient here. We should actually keep our stop just below the New York VWAP there. Might end up getting a bit of a pullback here. We do want a closure on the 5 minute, would be nice, up above this fair value gap. That would be a real good confirmation that we're definitely going to be moving higher here. We pull back towards our entry price. I'm going to add one more in here. We got 2.5 minutes, almost 3 minutes left on this 5 minute candle here.
Artlist.io.
What's the top of that wick? So we got it way up there, hey? 70, orders up at 70. Orders up at 65. So actually, let's go with 63.50 here for that. Let's take off a couple here at limit sell 3 there at the 59s. If we can just break this high, we'll take off another 3 up here at 61.25, and then that would leave us 3 for the full take profit at the end there. Just keeping the idea of trying to pay myself at somewhat of those key levels. So since we, didn't make it past 59 on the previous attempt, I would say it's a good level to just take some profits. We'll reduce our risk a little bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
We got 1 minute and 15 seconds left on this candle. Hopefully we're going to invert that bearish fair value gap, just making us look a little bit more like we're being bullish. So $59. We do have a bunch of orders at 58.75. So let's put our take profit. First one there. Next set of orders near the 61 is 59.75. It looks like. Nope, right at 60. So yeah, so we'll put this Let's not. 60 after 60. If we pop through the 59s, there we go. We got out some of our order there.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we're down only 74 so far on the day. Basically break even if I were to drag my stop up there to, you know, somewhere in profit. So we're actually going to reduce our risk here on what's left. If it does end up coming back down, the stop out for a smaller loss here. Don't really want to get stopped out, but okay, so we did close above that fair value gap. So this technically is now a bullish fair value gap. So let's change that to a green one. So we might get a pullback into this area, but if we get below that, that would definitely be a pretty serious invalidation point. Yeah. Let's see if we keep taking some momentum up here. I'm thinking we could add, but at this point, I don't really want to add too much more. We're going to mess up our entry price a little too much since we already added a couple times. But we do need to break this. I don't know how long we're going to sustain this run here, guys. So if we start moving up towards this, I might end up moving our stop here to the bottom of this 5-minute candle once we get closer to closing it. The book looks like it got a little bit thicker here. We got some new orders sort of at 59 area, which is kind of where we rejected off of that. So we, you know, 875 rejected, now 59 rejected. Let's see if we can't just plow right through there right now. Looking like it. Okay, there we go. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Next TP's up there at 61. Looking like we might be getting there pretty quick. So like I said, if we do get up there, I'm probably just going to stop put my stop here in well into profit a bit. It's going to bring our average price up since we're closing out part of this position. But let's keep this going here, boys. Let's go, Bulls. There we go, almost out. Are we going to get a couple more ticks here? We need half a point more to get that target. Pulling back here a bit, which is going to be normal. Hoping we're going to keep going bullish though. Indices are looking good. Dow's selling off, but it's also kind of looking like it found sort of support at the New York VWAP. Back down towards the 59s here. Let's see that 59 be support. Hey Zar, good morning. Are you in a long right now? How you doing? We're gonna get tapped out here, guys. We need there we go, we're tapped out. So I'm gonna go to the bottom of this candle now. We're back in profit from that first loss by $14. So I'm actually going to move this up here. Let's put a little sell order here. We'll limit sell to. If we do end up getting to this area, we'll close out to what's our next biggest price. So 62 has got orders, 63's got orders. But looking like the heaviest orders are sort of at the 63.75. So let's go 63.25 here. If we pull back down here, might end up getting stopped out. I'm not gonna take this out of profit at this point. We've already captured too much to be turning this trade into a negative. So I will lower this down a bit though. We'll just go with about $20 profit. $20 more. Worst case scenario, we're back in the green anyways.
Artlist.io.
Could think about it. I'm gonna take one off here actually, and then we'll close this. We'll make this into a single order. Just looking like it wants to pull back here and stop me out. So I just felt like I should take one more off at that point.
Music licensing reimagined.
Had a short at the open, still a little bearish until the gap gets filled from yesterday's close. Yeah, that's a good point. Definitely looking like I might be getting stopped out here on my 2 remaining contracts. Let's just go to break even here since we did take one more off there. Would rather stick in this trade and potentially, or at least we're green so far from our first loss. If it ends up going down and wicking us out here, so be it. But let's hope for some more bullish movement here. The bulls are in for now. This could be the move higher before we're just going to turn around. I feel like we do want to sweep this top of this candle before we head lower, but we could, get caught in some market breath there, a little pullback before we go higher. Pulling back a bit again here though. Are we finding support here at the 58-59 area? Looks like it, but
Music licensing
pretty close to our stop loss, so we might be getting taken out here, which again, like I said, it's no big deal. We recovered that first whipsaw loss, instant loss from earlier. So 2 trades on this account. Probably won't take any more on this account. We'll move over to a different account and for any potential future trades. So I'm gonna stand up here, guys. So kind of give it some momentum to go higher, hopefully. As we're raising up the desk, the price is going up here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Finish my electrolytes here. Got to work on that so I can get into the coffee. Really wishing I didn't get stopped out earlier on that pullback, but I guess that's what I get for going on NQ. Pulling back a bit here. Let's see the MNQ here. Well, I would have been only 903. Oh, that was a sell. I bought it at 944.
Artlist.io.
So we would have been up 10-ish points at that point, but can't cry over spilled milk, right? Moving a little higher here, guys. Hopefully we can get up to the TP there without getting stopped out. That'd be the dream.
Music licensing reimagined.
That'd be the hopium here. Just tuning in on my phone. Good morning, Jose. Thanks for checking in. Appreciate it. So obviously you're not trading this morning. You must be out and about or something already. Tempted to move my stop up here, but would prefer to get this TP hit first. If we do, we're going to start trailing a little bit tighter if we do tag out this last contract. And we might just close off our final contract here to just see and just trail on the 5 minute or so, giving us lots of space where we can still make profit, but hopefully see this thing move higher.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of looking like we might end up pulling back down to this to the top of this fair value gap. So really hope we're just going to move higher here first. Still, I have my iPad with me. Have to show up every day. Nice, yeah, of course. You got to get put in those reps, right? Get in that market experience, whether you're trading or not. Just be in there and looking for your setups and stuff can really pay off, right? Come on, boys, let's go. 62.75 up there. Got my orders. $1 point and 1.25 points above this high of this wick here. Are we gonna go right now? Looking like we might be moving higher here. Come on, boys. Where are all the buyers at?
Music licensing
Rejected there at the
reimagined.
61.50. We got some sellers stepping in up there at the 61.50 area. Pulling back again here, guys. We went dark blue there for a moment. We tipped into the 59 there for a second, and then we bounced. So we do have a fair value gap there. The top of the fair value gap is 57. 57 right there. So this can actually be up a little bit higher.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just below, actually, the top, just below that wick right there. Come on, bulls, here we go. Nice new candle opened here on the 5 minute. We're up high here. So I got 2 contracts left. Not a whole lot of profit available on those. We're only up 42 on the 2 contracts, so a little over $20 on each contract with its current price. Starting to get impatient on this one. Here we go. We're gonna get it. We did break the 62s on the book. Have a high of this candle of
Artlist.io.
We're gonna give it a couple more ticks here. We got order at 63. There's about 100 orders at 63. Hopefully I don't regret that, but just want to squeeze a little bit more out of this trade if we can, and then we're going to leave the last contract to run.
Music licensing reimagined.
With a break-even stop. So we didn't quite hit we wouldn't have got taken out on that trade anyways. 75 is where we were. We went up to the flat 63 there. Looking like we're building up some pressure here though. So I'm feeling like we need to push this even higher now. 63.50. Because once we do pop out of this 62.25, we're going to definitely jump up here. Let's just move our take profit a little bit higher here too, just so we don't automatically get wicked out of this trade. We want to leave a runner, see if we can't get a little bit more of a continued move on that. Come on, buyers, step in here. No new gaps. These candles have been too tight here to create a fair value gap. So we're just sort of like consolidating, moving higher. Could be a slow grind day, guys. You know, could be a slow grind. So that's why I want to kind of leave a runner.
Artlist.io.
So at least if we can get out this one, we'd be at like $50 profit in this account on the day. But
Artlist.io.
Pulling back here a bit. Hate to say it, but we are due for a bit of a pullback here. Just hope these buyers are still there. Gonna protect us in this position here. We got that 58 is kind of a pretty key level. Sellers are coming in pretty strong here, guys. Might end up getting wicked out on this downside. Let's hope that this 58 area holds again. Because we're pretty tight with our price and our stop here. Looking like we might get stopped out here, guys. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to take us out. There we go. We're out. Anyways, recovered the loss from the first trade. This was a very nice trade. Went in pretty small size. Or 3, added 3, and then got out 3. Sold 1, and then had the 2 left. Ended up getting stopped out. Break even. Let's exit that last contract there. So 2 trades in this account.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's green by $37, so not a whole lot here. So we'll probably just be patient now. Wait for this price action to tell us what the next step is going to be. But yeah, that was a decent trade.